Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the glider in Bloxburg. First, you will need to acquire a glider. Head into Build mode, navigate to the Vehicles section, and select your preferred glider. They typically cost around 700 Bloxbucks, so make sure you have enough in-game currency. Once purchased, place it on your property. After placing your glider, simply click on it to equip it to your character. Now for the exciting part, launching. To get the best flight, find a high vantage point such as a tall building or a natural hill. Run towards the edge, and as you go off, press your jump key. This will deploy your glider and send you soaring. Controlling your glider is straightforward. Use the W, A, S, D keys to steer left, right, forward, and backward, guiding your flight path. If you need to gain a little altitude, press the spacebar. This uses a small amount of your glider's energy. To descend more quickly, simply hold down the Shift key. Landing is quite simple. Steer your glider towards your chosen landing zone, gradually reducing your speed. As you get close to the ground, the glider will automatically disengage, allowing your character to land safely. Remember, practice is key to mastering both graceful takeoffs and precise landings, making your Bloxburg travels much more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.